So hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to replace your engine oil. This is a very simple procedure and you can also do it by yourself, which will save you a lot of money and some unnecessary hassle. First of all, I want to suggest you to use a man filter to avoid low oil pressure, because some other ones will cause low oil pressure. And it's this model. I'm not getting paid by them for advertisement for it. Of course, so I just need to save you some hassle. Then what you want to do is locate the drain, which is this one, and put your ratchet on it, and slowly and start by untightening it. Also run the engine for maybe a minute or so, just to get the crud mix. Well, that's kind of nasty, to be honest. To get the crud mixed with it so it comes all out. Now what you're going to do is just wait for it to drain, and you're going to prepare the next step, which is removing the oil filter, which is right here. For this you can use a special ratchet, a special tool, whatever you like. In my case, I'm going to use some special tool for this. But sometimes when it's really seized on, it won't grip, so you can just drive a screwdriver through the oil filter, which will then allow you to remove it. Just drive it through there and then pry it out. You can see the oil is coming out, which is nice. So we are going to put it something like that, and we are going to remove the oil filter, which is right there. My oil drain was kind of plugged, so as you can see, you put your it's kind of seized on there pretty good. Oh jeez, but it's coming out. It was put on there pretty good, to be honest, because I used a torque wrench last time, but you can also hand tighten it. So now you can see that the oil is dripping. We are going to unscrew it. Drain the oil like this so it doesn't create a whole mess. It's a pretty filthy one. Or the oil is pretty filthy, better said. Now what you're going to do is take your oil filter and fill it up with oil from here, and then you are going to put a smear of oil here to the gasket, so that it doesn't stick next time. So, what you also should be checking out is the oil filter itself. It should have the O-ring on there. Sometimes it will stick here, and then if you put the other one, you will have a double flange and you will lose oil and cause a potential engine damage. And then you will screw your oil filter on that. Like that. and you will make it as tight as you can with your hand. Maybe I'll help a little bit with the ratchet, but just a little bit to be sure. It's pre-filled, of course. So that's it, nice and tight. The next thing you will do is remove the washer your engine drain plug has on it. So I got a new one. You need to replace it to, avoid leakages. Some reuse them, but it's not suggested. So if you can get a new one, get it. So you can see I used a new washer. You're going to put the drain plug back in. So as you know, the water boxer doesn't have an oil pan. It's basically the crankcase. So you want to be very careful while tightening it. If you aren't sure if you can make it tight enough or not too tight, then you can use a torque wrench, which I strongly recommend. Mine doesn't work at this moment, so I will do it just by feeling. So now it's nice and tight, and nothing will leak. And we are going to refill the oil. Go to here. Pull your number plate. Go to your oil filler. Remove its cap. Extend it like that. And now you have your oil fill. So what you need to know is that the water engine, if you only replace the oil, it takes 4 liters. If you replace the oil filter too, it takes 4.5 liters. So in this case, because we replace the oil filter, we will use 4.5 liters approximately. So let's start pouring the oil in. So now do it until it's full. And then what you want to do is run the engine and recheck the oil level, which I will show you now. So now I did it. And what you do to check your oil is the following thing. You open your surface flap. You wipe it off with your hand or with a piece of paper. In my case, my hands are dirty as hell, so I will do it with my hands. And you want the oil, you can see, let it focus. You want to see the oil level between there, in the middle, between the two notches. Not too high, not too low, and the middle is perfect. So yeah, that's what you need to do. And you just put it back in. Yeah, and that's actually it. So if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.